Today's video is about the impact cows and livestock have on the environment and why this issue is becoming increasingly important. The rise in the number of cows and livestock has a significant effect on global warming, especially due to the methane gas they release. Cows are not bad creatures, but they contribute to a large amount of methane gas through their digestive processes. In recent years, the number of cattle has dramatically increased due to the growing demand for dairy and meat products. What was once 400 million cows globally has now grown to 1.4 billion cows. This increase in livestock has led to a large rise in methane emissions, with each cow releasing around 200 liters of methane per day. Methane is much more harmful than carbon dioxide because it is 80 times more effective at trapping heat in the atmosphere. This results in global warming, which leads to several environmental issues. The melting of the ice caps in the polar regions raises sea levels, causing flooding in coastal areas. Rising temperatures also affect the salinity of oceans, harming marine life, and changing weather patterns lead to floods in places that have never experienced them before. On top of that, higher temperatures can cause new diseases to emerge and spread among both animals and humans. To address these problems, there are two key solutions. The first is modifying the diet of cows. Studies show that adding seaweed to cows' diets can reduce methane production. However, convincing cows to eat seaweed instead of grass is a challenge. The second solution is reducing meat consumption. The less meat we eat, the fewer cows are raised, and thus the lower the amount of methane released into the atmosphere. By eating less meat, we can reduce the environmental damage caused by livestock farming. In conclusion, we need to look for ways to reduce the environmental impact of livestock, whether by changing their diet or by altering our consumption habits. So, are you ready to give up meat for the sake of the planet? This is an important question because our actions can help make a real difference in fighting climate change and protecting our environment.